3, 2.
The 4 keys of success.
We're gonna have to read it.
Is it 2 success or 4 keys to success?
Yeah, say the
Alright. 3, 2.
Hi, my name's Storm.
Hi, I'm Abby.
Hi, wait.
Hi, I'm Audrey.
Hi, my name's Kat.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Hi, I'm Carolyn.
Hi, I'm Reese. Hi, I'm Autumn.
You got this.
Hi, my name's Cameron.
Hi, my name's Emily. Hi, my name's Brenda.
Hi, I'm Zach.
Hi, my name's Troy.
Hi, my name is Madeline.
Hi, my name's Austin.
I'm Cole.
Hi, my name is Kendall.
Well, it means a lot of things.
It means you have to be dedicated. Success is to follow your dreams, like Thomas Edison, because he kept on trying.
You have to have a good work ethic. Make good choices.
To be successful, you want to work hard.
To work very hard.
To work hard every day.
Wait,
Success is when someone always tries their hardest to do what they love no matter what.
The 4 keys to success.
The 4 keys to success.
The 4 keys to success.
If you see something kind of shady or off happening to one of your fellow students, don't be afraid to tell someone.
Take your drills very seriously and listen to your teachers.
Not pushing people or running into people when they're trying to do something that they need to do in the hallway.
Take tornado drills, fire drills, lockdown drills. Take all that seriously.
Be safe online.
Not do drugs and alcohol because you could get addicted to those things and you wouldn't care about your schoolwork and then you'd fail. If you fail a test, keep studying until you've passed. Never give up on something even if you fail. You want to work hard. If you do nothing about what you're working for, then you won't be successful.
If you fail at something, keep trying until you get it right.
Work harder and harder so you can get better grades and get to a good college so you can further your education.
You have to keep going even if it's getting tough. Respect is whenever you give eye contact to the people who are talking and you want to listen to what they're saying so you learn more.
You have to respect yourself and others. Like, don't be destructive.
Respect looks like helping your peers if they don't understand something, always listening to a teacher, and paying attention at all times.
You gotta obey all the rules and just make sure you follow everything without getting in trouble.
To be respectful, you want to listen and care about other people and not just yourself.
Always do your schoolwork before other things. Fortnite is not the priority.
Get dubs on your schoolwork, not Fortnite.
Do your work and don't cheat.
Always get your work done before practices and sports, and own up to things that you've done wrong.
Like, you have to get your work done in time and turn it in time. And that's your responsibility to remember that.
The 4 keys to success.